Hello there, my friends. This is Frank Yoda. So if you've followed me for quite some time, I'm the guy in the combat sports scene, the boxing, jiu-jitsu, Muay Thai, kickboxing, wrestling, lahat yan. Everything about martial arts, self-defense, combat systems. Now this channel is a little bit different. This is a little bit closer to home. It's definitely closer to me. So this channel is a little bit more about my personal life. A lot of things. It's a lifestyle channel dedicated to share with you what I do, what you can do at home, what I do here at home, some life hacks, food definitely, and then coffee, traveling, travel tips, travel guides. Whenever I have time to do some vlogs, I'll do it here. I'll post it on this channel. Then we can have more conversations, more topics. A lot of people have been asking me about my opinion about certain things or my insights regarding certain matters. Pero when they ask it on the other channel kasi parang medyo malayo. It's a little bit off. It's a little bit off topic. It's a little bit off brand. So now we have a venue for that. So I'm very excited to share things with you. I'm very excited to know your thoughts, and I would very much like to learn from you. The main reason why I'm active on social media is to not just share what I know, but what else can I learn from you guys. So, in as much as a lot of people are learning from me, I always say na I'm actually learning more from the community that I have here. A lot of it will revolve around daily stuff, and it's a journey. It's a diary. It's my life journal kumbaga, so that when I get old, I get to look back into these memories and say na yes, I did something. I lived a life of purpose, and I've shared it with you guys. So I'll see you guys on the upcoming videos.